Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. And in this video I'll be doing something I haven't done in ages, and that's playing with toys. So this type of photography is something I've never tried before, and basically what happened, my stepson Calvin came to me and said, I've been clearing the room out and I've got a big box of figures. You often sell things on eBay, can you get rid of them for me? But that started me thinking, I've never tried toy photography. I know it's a massive thing that a lot of people do. There are loads of videos on YouTube, and thought I'd have a go as an absolute beginner, first time trying it, and see how I got on. All you need, a couple of action figures, a camera. In this instance, of course, we're using the FZ82 because I've seen other videos where everybody's using mirrorless or DSLR cameras, or even a mobile phone, but I've yet to see anybody try it with a bridge camera, so I thought I'd give that a go. As well as that, you also will need a tripod, a computer monitor, download some backgrounds, a pile of books to stand the figure on, and a couple of lights. So lighting wise, I'm using a ring light. These are cheap and cheerful ones I picked up at the local supermarket. You can buy them online. Not a lot of money, really quite handy little things to have. I use mine for vlogging, so I'm going to use them for this project. But you could just use an angle poise lamp or a desk lamp. Doesn't really matter, as long as you can light your subject, that's all you need. So I'll get set up and I'll show you how I achieve these shots. So here you can see my very crude setup. I've got the figure balanced on a big pile of boxes and books and things like that. As I say, it doesn't really matter what you use, as long as you can see on the back of the camera there. You eliminate that from the shot and just concentrate on the figure and the background. The background itself was a download from the Star Wars website. There are a number to choose from. It's quite a handy little website to use. They're free to use as screenshots, screensavers and backgrounds for if you're doing a Zoom type meeting. So now it's just a case of bringing in some lighting as and where you want to use it. Try and keep it off the screen, but just illuminating the figure. And it's just trial and error to get the lighting where you want it, so that it looks as realistic as possible. So once we're happy with our setup and the camera is focused onto the figure, like so, it's just a case of taking a shot. Now, at this point, I would say that if I wasn't using the phone for vlogging, I would use the Panasonic app to use as a remote shutter. This would give me a better shot than trying to do it by touching the camera, because we're bound to get some shake, especially with the cheap tripod that I'm currently using. But that's it. That's as simple as it gets for this type of photography. Once you've taken a shot, you're going to obviously edit the image in the likes of Photoshop, Lightroom, whatever software you use, so you can do things like enhance the colours, add some illumination to some of those reds in the image to sort of look as if those LED panels are glowing, soften things, put a vignette on it, whatever you want to do to try and make the shot as realistic as possible. So there you have it. Really straightforward little project, nothing complicated, ideal for a rainy day or another lockdown, God forbid. So if you've enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, Please give it a thumbs up, really helps the channel a lot, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.